show you like a simple how to do in Power BI, like just to create a matrix. So so first I'm going to create a new page. Let's say customer details. It's basically assignment from Adventure Works from Udemy course. So let's say add a matrix visual, total orders and total revenues, top 100 customers by revenue. Okay, so I go to Power BI, and then I get the matrix from the visualization, and then okay, so we need to drag the total orders and the total revenue, right? So from the AW cells, we're going to get the total orders and then total revenue. You can just simply click it, so it's going to show you in the matrix report. And then so we need by top 100 full name customers, and then you can just simply click it. It's going to go into the cell value, yeah, not on the filter. So you can just drag it, fix a little bit. And then so you need to make it a top 100 customers, right? So how you can do it, you simply go back to Power BI, and then so filters, in filters, so usually you have a filtering option. So you have advanced filtering and the top n and the basic. So you go to top n, and then you type the top 100, and then by total revenue, so you just drag the total revenue into the add data filters. Okay, so apply filter, you need to click the apply filters in order to make it work. Okay, so, and then that's the second question, is sort the matrix by total revenue. So in order to by descending order, so to make it descending, you go to total revenue, and then you simply click it. It's going to sort it in descending. Okay, so fact check, spot checks, yeah. So mouse chain is on the top. You can check the amount as well. And then the last question for question number 1 is add conditional formatting. It's super useful. And then show data bars for auto column, and then background color scale for total revenues. So you go back to Power BI. Okay, how we can do it is, so you just go to matrix dollar selected. So you just go over there, and then on the bottom you have conditional formatting, and this is like how the new so first let's say you do the total orders and then data bars. You turn it on, it's gonna show it automatically. Let's put the orders in before the revenue. Okay, so it's cool. Let's go back to conditional formatting. So you just go to conditional formatting, then to get the other total revenue, just total revenue, and then background color on, and then turn it on. And then you have advanced features out there, advanced controls, and then you can change the color. So let's say you want to have highest value like red, and then lowest value, let's say white color. So press OK, then boom, 1 3 2 1, yes, boom. That's simple as that, but super useful matrix. Okay, I'm gonna cover second next video. Thank you.